Good morning, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Please settle down yourself.
Good evening,
Everyone,
ma'am.
do turn on the videos, dear. Please settle down yourself fast. Everyone, do turn on the video, dear. Okay, so hello, Devansh. Can you hear me? Devansh, I think you are new to this class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear. So, beta, while I teach, if you face any problem related with anything, okay, if you face any problem related with any question, please do raise your hand and then you can ask your doubt. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everyone, please settle down yourself quickly. I'll just wait for 1 minute so that some more students can join us. But almost 10 of you have joined, right? Okay, 1 more minute I will wait to see if anyone comes and join us. We have started a very new topic in the last class, right? First topic actually. So we will continue the same dear. We will continue the same topic, that is factors. Okay. So Devansh, this is only the second class, okay, of factors. So I
Ma'am, I know factors.
you know factors. Okay, then I think you will be comfortable in the class because only last class I taught them time factorization. So if you face any problem, do let me know, okay? Because this is the second class only. Okay, so everyone, please turn on your videos, okay? And we are going to start factors. So last class we learned about prime factorization. Everyone is clear with that, dear? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone,
Yes,
only
ma'am.
Sharon. Okay, Dhruv also. Okay, dear. So today what we are going to learn? We are going to learn factors also. But as I told you that we will be learning some short tricks in the class and we will be doing the questions that comes exactly in the examination. Okay. But before moving to the short trick, I want you all to solve one revision question. Okay, one revision question. I have a revision question for you. Just give me a second. I have a revision questions for you. Express. This is a revision question of last class. Express 60 as the product of prime factors. And you will be answering this in poll. And Devansh, as you told me that you are aware of the factors, I hope you also give me the correct answer. Okay, let me see how many of you give me the correct answer for this, and then I will start the next concept. Do the prime factorization, beta. Do the prime factorization and tell me what's the answer. Let me see how many of you give me the correct answer. Only Dhruv, Darsh and Harshika. Only 3 correct answer. Why?
I was about to press enter.
About to press it. What, Devansh? You have to press it quickly.
Mom, by mistake I pressed D.
By mistake, Gayatri. Every time you misclick. Why? Okay. Let us see, dear, how we are going to do this. This is just a revision question. Like, we have to find express 60 as the product of prime factors, right? In the last class, that is the first class of the factors, we learned what? We learned how to prime factorize. So I will prime factorize 60. Devansh, how to prime factorize, do you know? Tell me. Because I think this is the first class of yours, that's why I'm asking you.
Ma'am, first we have to write 60 and we have to divide them with prime numbers. Like
Okay.
2 30s are 60.
Why not I divide it by 3?
We have to write
Devansh,
2 30s are 60.
why shall I not divide this 60 by 3?
Ma'am, we can, but we can do both of them. We can do different orders. But when we like list the prime factors, we have to write them in a order.
Yes, very good, Devansh. Very smart. Yes, so whenever we do prime factorization, you can turn off your mic. Whenever we do prime factorization, so I have taught you in the last class also that always go for the smaller prime numbers, right? So I shall always start with 2. I shall always start with 2. If the number is not divisible by 2, then I shall go with the other numbers like 3, then 5, then 7, and so on. So this you know, dividing it by 2 is 30, then again dividing by 2, I get 15. Now this 15 is not divisible by 2. It will be divisible by 3. So I got 5, then 5 divisible by 5, I got 1. So product of prime factors would be what? I have 2, 2. So 2 की power 2 into 1, 3. So 3 की power 1, 5 की power 1. If power is not written, still it is considered to be 1. Always to remember. If 1 is not written in the power, still it is considered to be 1. Anyone, any problem in this? Please do let me know. Anyone, any problem in this? Please do raise your hand. Yes, Thorvi.
The first day, I did not understand.
Pardon, dear Thorvi. Can you repeat?
Ma'am, I was absent in the previous class, that's why I don't know.
Okay, beta. So I think you will feel a bit difficulty in this class because you were absent. So I will teach you. I'll explain you again. But it's just a suggestion. Do watch the recordings also once because this is only the second class of this. Okay, Thorvi. You have missed only one class of factor. Okay. Yes, Karthik. You have also raised your hand here.
Ma'am, if we can also remove the power of 3, ma'am.
No, you can divide it by 3, Karthik, but we shall always go for the lesser number. Okay, Karthik?
Ma'am, telling that the 3 power 3 we can remove as 1, ma'am.
Yes. From this power also we can remove the 1. It will be the same thing. But in the option, in 3, 1 is written and in 5, 1 is not written. Right? So I just gave this options just to make sure that you know that 3 to power 1 and 5 without power is also 1. Okay?
Yes,
okay, yes, I think it's Arjun. Arjun?
Ma'am, I got 7, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 1, ma'am. But I ma'am, 2 into 2 to the power of 2 is into 3 into 5 then 1, then above that 1, ma'am.
Because if you got the same answer, dear, so you could have got that options correct. Okay, option C is the correct one. Okay, yes, Hitat, you have turned on your mic, beta. Hitat, why have you turned on your mic, beta? You haven't raised your hand.
Ma'am.
Yes, Shreya.
What?
Please turn off your mic, Hitat.
Yes.
Yes, Shreyan. Quickly, dear, we have to move to the next
Ma'am,
question.
could you explain again, ma'am?
Okay, beta. Yes, Harshika. Okay, no doubts. Okay, I'm repeating this, dear. I'm repeating this. Okay, see. The question was very simple that we have learned in the last class. It was, how would you express 60 as the product of prime factors? So how we can do it? We have to divide it using the prime numbers. So 60 is the question. I have to divide 60 using the prime numbers, and I shall start with the smaller one first, right? So smallest prime number is 2. I shall start with 2. 60 divided 2 is 30. 30 divided 2 is 15. 15 divided 3 is 5. And 5 divided 5 is 1. We shall continue this process until and unless we get 1. Okay. Now, if you have to express it as a product of prime factors, so I have 2, right? So I will write 2 ki power 2. 1, 3, so 3 ki power 1. 1, 5, so 5 ki power 1. If you write to the power 1 or you don't write to the power 1, still it is the same thing. Still it is the same thing. Okay. 5 to the power 1 is equal to 5. 5 to the power 1 is equal to 5. Okay. Now, next. What if? Just give me a second. What if this question comes like this? The same question, okay? The same question, but I ask you, how many factors of 60 are there? I ask you, how many factors of 60 are there? So you have to use the same method and you have to tell me, okay? I'm going to give you options. Six, 8, 10, and 12. Quickly tell me the answer. Quickly tell me the answer. And here you go. How will you do it? How many factors of 60 are there? That means how many numbers are there that divide 60? That divide 60. Then I will tell you the short trick for it. Okay, Thorvi, Gayatri, Shayan and Pavitran gave me the correct answer. Very good, 4 of you. But rest wrong answer. Okay, let us see how we are going to do this question correctly. How we are going to do this question correctly. See, if how many factors are being asked, beta. So what you will do, first step you will do the same that we did. You have to prime factorize, okay? First step is the same. You have to prime factorize. This thing you have to do. So you got the product of prime factors 2 ki power 2, 3 ki power 1 and 5 ki power 1. This is the prime factors, product of prime factors. Now, in order to find the number of factors, what you have to do? You have to see the power. So 2 ki power 2 is here, 3 ki power 1 and 5 ki power 1, right? Whatever is the power, what you have to do? Just take one more than that. If I have 2 ki power 2, so I will take one more than it. So it becomes 3. 3 ki power 1 is there. I will take one more than it. So it becomes 2. 5 ki power is 1. So I will take one more than it. It becomes 2. 3 twos are 6 and 6 twos are 12. 12 is the correct answer. And this is the short trick to find the number of factors. Got it, dear? Any doubts, anyone?
No, ma'am.
Because I'm writing, can I write this quickly?
Beta, if you have any doubt, please first raise your hand, then I shall acknowledge your doubt, dear.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I have Shreyan, just now you said no doubt and you have raised your hand. Yes, V Harshika. Harshika.
Ma'am?
V Harshika, I think network is not that good, dear. V Harshika, you're not audible to me. Okay, I'm explaining this all by myself once more. Whenever number of factors are being asked to you, okay, so number of factors are being asked, what you will do? Short trick. I can do like this also, like 1 is the factor of 60, 2 is also factor of 60, 3 is also factor of 60, 4 is also factor of 60, 5 is also factor of 60, 6 is also factor of 60, and like that we can count, right? 10 is also factor of 60, 12 is also factor of 60, 15 is also factor of 60. We can do this way also. We can do this way also. 30 is also factor of 60 and 60 is also factor of 60. We can count this way also, but this will take a lot of time and chances of doing wrong is more. If we do this way, so chances of doing wrong calculation is more, right? So what we are going to do? We are going to use the short trick. And short trick tells me what? Short tricks tells me that first prime factorize it. After prime factorization, whatever is the exponent, what you do? Just take one more than the power. One more than the power and multiply them. Okay? 1, 2 questions, it will be clear, beta. I'm going to change the slide. Yes, Hitarth.
Ma'am, how to identify the prime numbers, ma'am?
How prime numbers are those number, dears, which are not divisible by any other number. Okay, it has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. Okay, Hitarth. Okay, I'm going to give you another question, dear. Easy one I'm going to give you. How many factors are there for 36? Okay, for 36 you have to calculate. Please turn off your mic, beta. Please do not turn it on without my permission. 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to find the number of factors. And here you go. Quickly answer me. Use the short trick, okay? Gayatri, Arjun, Harshika. Very good, dear. First three to answer me. Darsh, Kishan and Sharon has also given the correct answer. The rest, 4 of you have given me the wrong answer and so many of you haven't answered. Okay, let us see, dear, how we are going to do this. Okay, we will do it using the short trick. Okay, we will not waste our time in finding which numbers divide 36. First thing what we are going to do, we are just, please, I think someone's mic is on. Please turn it off there. First, we are going to prime factorize 36, right? So do the prime factorization of 36. This question we have done in the last class also, right? 36 is divisible by 2. How many times? 18 times. 18 again divisible by 2. How many times? 9 times. Now this 9, it is not divisible by 2. So I will take another number, that is 3. Now 9 divided 3, I got 3. And 3 divided 3, I got 1, right? So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. I can say 2 ki power 2, 3 ki power 2. 2 ki power 2, 3 ki power 2. What you will do? Just use the exponent thing. 2, so 3, I have 2. Beta, it's a kind request. Please do not turn on your mic without my permission, or else I have to turn off everyone's mic from here. Then you will face a bit problem, okay? Power is 2, right? I will take 1 more than it. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Now 3 ki power is also 2. I will take 1 more than it. 2 ki power is 3. 3 3s are, yes, 3 3s are 9. 9 is the correct answer. That is option C. Okay? 9 is the correct answer, option C. Anyone else, beta? Any question? Raise your hand.
No, ma'am.
Okay, if no, then please take the screenshot. I'm going to give you another question. Number of factors of 2700 are here you go. Tell me quickly. Quickly tell me. Number of factors of 27. Gayatri, Karthik, Kishan and Sharan. 4 correct answer. Rest, either you have not answered or you have answered wrong. Okay, let us see dear. I need number of factors of 2700, right? So what we are going to do? First thing that we are going to do is prime factorization. 2700. So you will tell me, ma'am, this 2700 divided by 2, ma'am, it will take so much time, ma'am. Don't we have another process by which we can do it quickly? Because if you divide this, so you'll get 1350. Then again you will divide 1350 by 2. So it will be a bit difficult for you and time taking. So how we can save our time? Let's see. What we are going to do, we are going to break this number. Like it's 2700, right? It's 2700. What we are going to do, we are going to split this number. So I can write 27 into 100. Okay, I can write 27 into 100, 2700. Now, if I write the product of prime factors, it is easy for me. Because 27, I know 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 ki power 3. 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Now for this 100, I know that in my mind I am doing this. That 100 is 20 into 5. Right? 100 is 20 into 5. And if I talk about this 20 I can write 4 into 5. Right? 20 I can write 4 into 5. Now 5 are the prime numbers, but 4 I can break this 4 also. 4 I can write 2 into 2. 4 I can write 2 into 2. So I can say that 100 is what? 2 ki power 2 into 5 ki power 2. Because 5 also 2 times and 2 also 2 times. Any doubt till here? Please raise your hand, beta. Any doubt, anyone, in breaking down this 2700?
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
yes. Riddhiman?
I don't break down 3 multiply 9, 3, 3, 2, 7, 2, 0. So, why we are breaking down, ma'am?
We are breaking to save our time, dear. We are breaking the number to save our time. Because if you divide, I'm not telling you that you can't do like this. Even if you do in this way also, for sure you will get your answer. But this will be more time taking. This process will be very time taking because it will include a bit of difficult division also for you being a child. So what we have to do, we have to use such a way so that we can save our time. And always do remember, dear, if you have to save the time in division part, you should break down the numbers. So this 2700, I will break down. So 27 into 100, we can easily find the product of prime factors. 27, I know 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 ki power 3. 100, I know 20 into 5. Now this 20, I know 4 into 5. I will break down this. 4, I know 2 into 2. So 100 will be what? 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. And 20 into 5 is 100. So I can say that 100 is 2 ki power 2 and 5 ki power 2. Yes, Thodvi?
Ma'am,
Yes?
please one more time. I did not understand.
What you did not understand, beta?
The process you showed down at the number.
Process. Okay. Yes, Darsh?
Ma'am, what is the correct answer?
Correct answer. Oh, I'm telling you right now. Just 2 seconds there. Just give me not 2 seconds, but 2 minutes. I'm going to tell you the answer right now. And yes, Shreyan, you have also raised your hand there.
Ma'am, could you explain again, ma'am?
Yes, because see, I'm explaining this process again, and then we will go for the answer. 2700 you have to prime factorize here. Prime factorizing 2700 will take you a lot of time because it involves lot of division. So break down the number. Whenever you have a greater number, try to break down the number in easiest way. 2700 I broke into 27 and 100. 27 is 3 की power 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. And 100 I broke down into 20 into 5. 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. That is 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So my answer would be what? 2 की power 2. That is 4. And 5 into 5, 25. So 25 4s are 100. Now, in order to find the number of factors beta, what you have to do? Whatever is the digit given, power, okay? Whatever is the power given, you have to take one extra from it. Like if 3 is the power, I will take 4. If 2 is the power, I shall take 3. Again 5 की power 2 is there, I shall take one more, that is 3. Now multiply this. 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So option B, 36 is the correct answer. Yes, Riddhiman, you have raised your hand here.
We cannot multiply with 3, ma'am.
Beta, you can multiply with 3 also if you want to. Okay, that's your wish. Okay, however you want to do prime factorization of 2700, you can do that. I'm telling you the easiest way to do it. Okay, easiest way. And if you are talking about this one 3, so here you cannot take any other number. Whenever we need the final answer, we see the exponents, and whatever is the exponent, we take one more than that. If it is 3, then I will take 4. If it is 2, then I will take 3. One more than that. And that's how it becomes the short trick. Okay. So 36 would be your answer. Quickly take the screenshot. I have one more question for you. Number of factors of of 10500. Okay. Quickly tell me. Number of factors. I'm going to give you plenty of time for this. Okay. Shreyan, I don't understand why your mic turns every now and then. Quickly, dear. Only two correct answer. That is Gayatri and Thorvi. Rest everyone wrong. And so many of you have not answered. Oops. Yes, Harshika?
And I could see options, ma'am.
Okay, so might be internet issue from your side. Okay, see. How we are going to do this? To know the number of factors, first we shall know the prime factors of this, right? Product of prime factors. Now 1050, it is a greater number. So what will I do? I will split this number. That means I will break down this number into smaller parts. So I can say that 105 into 100. I can say it 105 into 100. Now, if I break down this 105 and 100, what will I get? So 100 ko to just now I taught you in the last question also. That 2 ki power 2 into 5 ki power 2. That is 4 into 2500. We just learnt it. And if I talk about 105 beta, this 105, this is not divisible by 2 because it is not the even number. But 105 is 1 plus 5, 6. That means it is divisible by 3. How many times? 35. This 35 is divisible by 5. How many times? 7 times. And 7 is divisible by 7 1 times. So what will be my answer? 3 into 5 into 7, right? 3 into 5 into 7. I have only 1 3. I have only 1 7. But this 5 there, here also 5 and here also 5, right? So total how many 5 I have? 1 plus 2, 3, 5. So I will write this 5 at one place only, okay? I shall write this 5 at one place. 5 ki power. Even if you write separately, you will get the same answer. But in order to make my calculation easy, I will write this 5 ki power 3 because I had 1 5 here also, 2 5 here. 1 plus 2, 3. Now I will just see the power 1, 1, 2 and 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 4, right? 2 twos are 4. 4 threes are 12. And 12 into 4 is 48. The correct answer. Yes, Shreyan?
Ma'am, I didn't got the options, ma'am.
Okay, options were 40, 46, 48 and 50, dear. I think it was internet issue. Okay, anyone else there? Any other question? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
If no, then I have some different type of questions for you that has come in the examination. Okay, that has come in the examination. Which of the following numbers has exactly 3 factors? 24, 30, 42, 49. Here you go. Answer me in poll quickly. Okay, two of you have answered. Very smart. Arjun and Sharon has given me the correct answer. Rest everyone wrong. Okay, let us see, dear. What does the question says, beta? Question says that which of the following number has only three factors? That means which of the following number is divisible by only three numbers, right? And how we will find it out? So 24. If I talk about 24, 24 is divisible by 2, 24 is divisible by 1 also. 1 is also the factor, 24 is also the factor, 4 is also the factor, 6 is also the factor. So 24 cannot be my answer because it has more than 3 factors. Talking about 30, 30 also, 1 and 30, and then 5, 6, 2, many factors. So this is also not my answer. 42, 42 is divisible by 2, 42 is divisible by 6, 42 is divisible by 7 also, 1 also, 42 also. So more than 3 factors. I'm left with only 49. That means 49 is my correct answer. In 49, I have 1 as a factor, 7 as a factor, and 49 as a factor, right? So only 3 factors are there in 49. Yes, Darsh. Darsh, I think you have raised your hand here. Okay, Darsh, not network is not good. Yes, Harshika. Harshika. Beta, not audible here. Okay, tell me anyone. I think Karthik and Dhruv I can see, and Sharon also. Am I audible? Is the screen visible there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
I think
Okay, then.
okay, then I think it's their issue. Yes, Darsh, please go for it. Ask your doubt there.
Ma'am, I can't see the board. Could you move it more?
You can't see the board. Beta, if it is black, I think there is some network issue. Please exit and rejoin, okay?
No, ma'am, it's not black. I could not see the board.
Okay, everyone, please take the screenshot and then I'm going to give you another question.
I finish.
Very good if finished. Which of the following is not a factor of 24, right? Eight, 6, 12, and 9. Here you go. Quickly answer me. Not a factor of 24. Please focus to that. Okay, this time Kishan, Hitarth, Arjun. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. Tanay, Shreyan, Pavitran, and Harshika has also given the correct answer. Very smart. Okay, see how we are going to do this. The question says that which of the following is not a factor of 24? Not a factor of 24 means what? It means that which of the following is not divides 24. Which of the following number does not divide 24? So 8 divides 24. 8 threes are 24. 6 fours are 24. 12 twos are 24. But 9 does not divide 24. That's why 9 is the correct answer. Yes, Darsh? Darsh, beta, I think there is some network issue. I could not hear you. Please write in the chat box, Darsh. I'll read your doubt because you're not audible to me, beta.
Ma'am, you only disable the chat, ma'am.
I disabled chat. Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, go for it, dear. Write your doubt in the chat box, beta. And I did not disable it, dear. When I start the class, sometimes automatically the chat gets disabled. Okay, take the screenshot. I have another question for you. Which of the following is a common factor of 65 and 195? 15, 13, 17, 23. And here you go. Quickly. There's options are 15A, 13B, C, 17, D, 23. Yes, Pavitran, Sadhya, Riddhiman, and Harshika. Very good, dear. 4 of you have given me the correct answer. Rest everyone wrong. Most of you have given me the answer 15. Beta, you all don't know the table of 15 also. 15-1 is 15, 15-2 is 30, and then 15-3 is 45, 15-4 is 60, 15-5 is 75. So, from where did you get 65 divisible by 15? How? If you don't know the table of 15, 13, and 17, I'm really sorry, you are not in the competition. Competition is so tough, so tough. And who are those? Let me see. Acha, chala gaya. I could have just read out the names aloud, those who don't know the table of 50. "65 beta does not come in the table of 15. It's not there because 15-4 is 60 and then 15-5 is 75. So 65 is not divisible by 15. So 15 cannot be my answer, right? Next option is 13. Next option is 13. Yes, 13-5 is 65. 13-5 is 65. But, yes, Sadhya? Sadhya, your mic is on, dear.
Sorry, ma'am.
But I cannot make my answer on basis of this 65, right? I have to check whether 195 is divisible by 13 or not. And if I divide 195 by 13, how much do I get? 1 times में 13, then again 65, 15 times में. 195 divided 13 is 15. That means this 195, it is divisible by 13. So 65 and 195 both are divisible by 13. That's why option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Anyone any doubts dear? Okay, if no one, then I am going to give you same type of question once. Okay, same type of question. I will just change the digit. Please take the screenshot. I'm just changing the digit. (42) and 91. You have to find the common factor of 42 and 91. Okay. Quickly. Shreyan. I can also read the messages in the chat box. I think you are not aware of that. And that is the reason I don't allow you all to chat in the boxes, this message thing. You are more involved into it. But I cannot just disable the chat because Darsh is facing some issue. I cannot hear him. So I have to keep this on. If anyone messages anything useless in the chat box, I will just remove you from this class. Sadhya, Kishan, Hitat, very good beta. First three to answer me. Thorvi and Arjun has also given me the correct answer. Rest either not answered or answered wrong. Okay, see how we are going to do this. Beta Darsh, you are not audible dear. So you can write in the chat box. Try turning on your mic.
I can't see.
You can't see the options, dear Darsh, because I think you are facing some network issue. That's why. That's why you are not able to see options in the poll.
Man, that's why I'm not able to answer.
Okay, no issues, dear. No issues, Darsh. I can get you. You can answer in the chat box. I've just allowed it for you. Okay. See, which of the following is a common factor of 42 and 91? That means which of the following number you can use to divide these two numbers. So first I will take 7. Okay, first I shall take 7. So 7 6 is 42. This one I know. 7 6 are 42. So 42 is divisible by 7. Now coming to 91. I think 91 is also divisible by 7 because as far as I know, 13 into 7 is 91. That means 91 divided by 7 will be 13. So 91 is divisible by 7 also. That's why my correct answer would be option A, 7. Why to go for the other options if in option A only I got my answer? Right? So I'm not going to check the other option. Option A, if I got 7, that will be the correct answer. Anyone, any question here? Anything you want to ask? No one? Okay, beta. If no one, then after I end this class, I think after 8 o'clock, okay, Please go to the test section in the app, the Sainik School Coaching app, that Shiromani app, same thing. So go into that test section. I have given you homework. It would not start right now. It would start at 8 p.m. onwards. Okay. Please do attempt that. That consists of the same type of questions that we have done in this factor class. Okay. That has the same type of the question. Please do attempt that so that I can assess your performance. And everyone has to do the homework. Please do it. Okay. And that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. Next, we will going to do multiples. Bye.